Here's how to know if you're ready to hire a coach for your freelance copywriting business. I'm Christa Nichols, and I'm a coach for freelance copywriting mamas. I teach them how to grow their businesses and how to write copy that gets results. But I'm not a good fit for everyone. How do you know if you are ready to hire a coach? You want to go faster. A coach is somebody who can help you create a proven path to get you from where you are today to where you want to go. But first, number 2, you know exactly where you want to go. Don't hire a coach if you're not sure yet what you want to do. I work with women who want to grow their freelance copywriting businesses, prove their skills so they can get real results for clients, and go all the way to 6 figures and beyond in their businesses. If that's not a good fit for you, then I don't recommend hiring me as a coach. Number 3, you're stuck somewhere. You're stuck in your growth and you need accountability, coaching, and support to get you to the next level. Number 4, you're ready to listen and put to work the proven skills, tactics, and strategies the coach has for you. Shoot me a DM for more info on my coaching services.